Become a web designing expert in guruschool.in. Advanced web designing and development for rupees 599 only. Get enrolled now and only 9 enrollments all left. Everything in one course, that is HTML, JavaScript, CS and WordPress. Free support from trainers included. Simple, easy to learn the course modules. Get enrolled now for the enrollments. What you will get when you enroll in the course right now is 60 website designing videos you will be getting. You will get access to our learning web portal instantly after the enrollment, in which you will be able to watch every course video materials one by one. Certification of completion. No one provides this in rupees 599, so please enroll faster. After your course is complete, you will get certificate through our web portal. After completing this course, you will get the certification of completion, which means you will be certified website designer, and it will increase your chances to get job in any of the reputed company. You will be learning HTML, JavaScript, CSS and WordPress. Enroll this course faster. Only 9 enrollments are left now. More than 8,803 students already enrolled this. Buy now at only rupees 599. The sample certificate which you will get after the course completion is shown below. Certificate of completion. This is to certify that Mr. or Mrs. Jane successfully completed this course with own certificate for course name. About the Guru School Rabi Solution Private Limited. Guru School Institution of Internet Marketing is the trademark of Rabi Solution Private Limited as a leading internet marketing training providers for corporate professionals, entrepreneurs and students. Guru School Institute of Internet Marketing provides full-fledged live classroom training for industry executive and entrepreneurs. We teach marketers how to reach target marked with lower acquisition cost in the best way possible. For corporate, Guru School conducts 45 hours full-fledged training and advanced 2 days working workshop in internet marketing, where our flexible training enables your employee to learn tools, techniques and acquire advanced skill required to increase your business market share, create brand awareness, communicate with potential customers, reach right target market and take your business to the global platform. Final call. Do not miss this opportunity. You may take the advantage of getting the digital marketing course at this price. Soon the price will be increased. Enroll me now. Only 9 enrollments are left. For frequently asked questions, after purchase the course, where do I receive confirmation? After you purchase the course, you will automatically get registered in our web portal with your email ID, and you will receive the purchase confirmation on your email address with the login detail for your web portal. Next, where and how to watch videos. After the purchase is complete, you can log in our web portal, and there you will see all your enrolled course video, lesson and course material, and after the course is complete, the certificate will generate automatically and send it to your email address or you may access or download it from your web portal. If I face any problem or if I need to clear my doubts, where should I contact? If you face any problem or need any help regarding anything about the course or the lesson, you may give us a call on 918447677362, and we will be more than happy to assist you regarding your queries. Buy faster, it's only rupees 599. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.